In this guide, I'm going to show you how to overclock monitor intro. First things first, you need to check your current refresh rate. So go ahead and right click on your desktop, open up the NVIDIA control panel, or what you can also go ahead and do is open up your display settings. So do either or. I'm going to open up my display settings for the sake of this video. From here, you can go ahead and scroll down, find advanced display, and then from here, check your current refresh rate. So for example, this one's at 239.76. So let's just say 240, right? From here, go ahead and then once again, right click, and this is when you're going to want to open up NVIDIA control panel and wait for it to load. Once it loads, it's going to look something like this. You need to go ahead and look for change resolution on here. Select it over on this left-hand sidebar. You're going to see all these settings right here. And if your monitor does actually support a higher refresh rate, it's only going to show lower options right here. You're going to have to enable overclocking through the monitor menu. So for example, I can't change my refresh rate right here, so I'm going to have to overclock it. To do that, you have to use the physical buttons or joystick on the back or bottom of your monitor. Go ahead and open up the settings, look for a gaming refresh rate or overclock setting, and I know this isn't going to detect, but it's going to be popping up down here. The exact name kind of depends on your monitor brand though, but once you find the overclock option, for example, some monitors will show enable to turn on like 540 Hertz. Go ahead and do that, or overclock refresh rate, confirm it, do that, and then after that, go back here and you'll see change resolution and you'll be able to set it to the highest one in here. The process is that simple. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.